Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel XAUT. In today's video I'm going to explore an interesting campaign happening on Zoomex around Tether Gold, also known as Tokenized Gold. We will start by understanding the context, why gold is becoming relevant again in the crypto space. After that we will talk about the tokenized gold itself, and then we will take a full walkthrough of the Zoomex platform. And finally, I will show you how you can potentially participate in this campaign. So let's continue after the intro. Before we dive into the campaign itself, it's important to understand the context. Over the past few years, global markets have experienced a lot of uncertainty. Inflation concerns, geopolitical tensions, and volatility in financial markets have pushed many investors to look for safe haven assets. Traditionally, gold has always played that role. It's considered one of the most reliable stores of value in times of economic uncertainty. Now what's interesting in that gold is also entering the crypto ecosystem through tokenized assets. Now let's talk a bit more about XGold, which is also known as Tether Gold. XGold is essentially a tokenized representation of physical gold. Each token represents ownership of 1 troy ounce of real gold that is stored in secure vaults. This means that instead of buying physical gold and worrying about storage, transportation, or security, we can simply hold a digital token that represents that gold. And one of the interesting aspects of this tokenized is that it combines two different worlds: traditional assets and blockchain technology. So gold has been used as a store of value for centuries, while blockchain allows assets to be transferred quickly and efficiently across the world. Another important point is accessibility. Investing in gold can sometimes require going through banks, brokers, or physical dealers. With these tokenized assets, investors can access exposure to gold directly through crypto platforms, and this concept is part of a broader trend in the crypto industry known as real-world assets, where physical or the traditional financial assets are represented on the blockchain networks. Now that we understand what XGold represents, let's take a look at how this asset is being integrated into trading platforms like ZoomX. Many exchanges are starting to offer access to tokenized assets because they attract both crypto traders and traditional investors who are already familiar with commodities like gold. Currently, ZoomX is running a campaign focused on XGold trading. These types of campaigns are quite common in the crypto industry because exchanges want to encourage users to explore new assets and increase trading activity. Typically, these campaigns allow traders to earn rewards depending on their participation. For example, users might receive rewards based on the trading volume, completion tasks, or simply participation in the event during the campaign period. Another reason exchanges organize these campaigns is to improve liquidity around certain trading pairs. The more traders participate, the easier it becomes to buy and sell assets without large price fluctuations. And also for traders, these campaigns can sometimes offer additional incentives compared to normal trading conditions. Now let's move to the ZoomX platform itself and take a closer look at the interface. Here we are on the main dashboard, and it's usually the first page users see when they log into their account. The dashboard gives a quick overview for example here by crypto, markets, spot, futures, earn, events, rewards, and the next section is the new ZoomX card. So moving to the market section, this is where you can browse all available trading pairs on the platforms. Exchanges like ZoomX usually offer multiple markets, including major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as other derivatives and specialized assets. Now let's open the trading interface to see how trades are executed on the platforms. If we search here for XGold, we can locate the trading pair associated with tokenized gold. In the center of the screen, you can see the price chart, which allows traders to analyze market movements. Most platforms integrate advanced charting tools so users can apply indicators, draw trend lines, and analyze historical price data. On the right side, we have the order panel where traders can place order. Typically, there are two common types of orders. The first one is a market order, which executes instantly at the current market price. The second one is a limit order, where traders specify the exact price at which they want to buy or sell. So, limit orders allow traders to have more control over the entry and exit points. The next section worth exploring on the platforms is the ZoomX card. So it's designed to provide users with an additional way to interact with their crypto assets beyond trading. With crypto cards in general, the idea is to connect digital assets with everyday payments, and this allows users to potentially use their crypto in real-world transactions depending on the supported features and regions. And features like this highlight how the crypto ecosystem is gradually expanding beyond trading and investing, moving toward more practical everyday use cases. And by integrating tools like a crypto card, platforms aim to make digital assets more accessible and easier to use in daily life. Another section worth mentioning is the rewards or events area. This is where users can track ongoing promotions, campaigns, and trading competitions organized by these actions. If you are participating in the X Gold campaign, this section usually shows your progress and any rewards you might receive. Before wrapping up, it's important to highlight that trading cryptocurrencies and derivatives involves risk. Markets can be volatile and can lead to both significant gains and significant losses. Always make sure to conduct your own research and manage your risk properly when trading, and always project your capital. To summarize, we have explored the context, discussed what XGold represents as a tokenized version of physical gold, and taken a full walkthrough of the ZoomX platform. Tokenized assets like XGold show how traditional financial assets are gradually being integrated into the crypto ecosystem. If you are interested in exploring the platform or learning more about this campaign, you can find the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about this campaign. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.